Imagine creating a full 3D kids movie in just one click.
I'm going to win this. We'll see. I'm so far ahead, I can afford to rest a little. Ah, perfect.
I am the strongest!
If you solve my puzzle, the gem is yours.
A puzzle, huh? I'm in. But first, let's see if I can reach you.
Strong, but not quite tall enough, I'm afraid.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using a powerful AI tool. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your own kids' movies with consistent characters, any style you like, and even enter a contest with over $100,000 in prizes. The contest includes cash rewards, Times Square features, and free memberships. So, watch until the end to see exactly how to create your video and enter to win. The AI tool I'm using today is called MagicLight. It's built specifically for creating cinematic kids' movies with consistent characters, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make these kinds of videos with few simple clicks. First, log into MagicLight AI using the link in the description. And here's some exciting news. MagicLight AI is currently running its first ever content creation contest with over $100,000 in prizes. The first place winner will get $6,000 in cash, have their work featured on a Times Square screen, and receive 3 years of premium membership. Second and third place winners also get thousands in cash, plus free memberships. You create your video using MagicLight AI, but you can still edit it later in CapCut or any editing software you like, then post it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or X, tagging MagicLight AI, and submit your entry through their submission form. It's that simple. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing content using MagicLight AI to enter this contest. Alright, once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice several ways to create a video. I've already explained how the story-to-video and kids' story video tools work in my previous videos, so you can check those out if you want a deeper idea. But today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest options, the one-click-to-video feature. Just click on it to get started. The first step is to select your video style. There are lots of options to choose from, but for this tutorial, I picked Disney style because it's bright, colorful, and perfect for kids. Next, you have to enter your original story idea and main characters. In here, you can write a simple sentence, but to get a better result, I like to use ChatGPT. Here's what I do. Go to our free Discord server, copy the prompt we provide, and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt generates 5 kids' story ideas inspired by classic fables and folktales. Once ChatGPT gives you the ideas, pick the one you like best and paste it into MagicLight AI. Then select the animation style, which controls how your scenes will move. There are a few options. Each gives a slightly different style. For this video, I chose the option best for action scenes. Finally, pick your aspect ratio and click Create Video. Now, MagicLight AI automatically analyzes your story, detects the main characters, and creates visuals for them. Here it is. Both characters looked great to me, but if you want to make your own custom character, you can do that too by clicking Create Character. Here, you just need to describe the character's appearance. To get a unique look, I used another prompt in ChatGPT to generate detailed character appearance descriptions. Then, I copy the new descriptions into MagicLight AI and click Generate. And here's the result. The characters look amazing. Do the same for your second character. With these visuals, your characters are perfect for kids' stories and have a unique, memorable look. Once your characters are ready, click Next. The AI will then start creating your full story video. In just a few minutes, your video is ready. MagicLight also gives you a thumbnail, title, and description that you can use on social media when you upload your video, which is super convenient. And if you're making videos for the MagicLight contest, there's a special option to download the video as a contest entry. It adds a watermark automatically. Here's how our finished video looks.
I am the strongest!
If you solve my puzzle, the gem is yours.
A puzzle, huh? I'm in. But first, let's see if I can reach you.
Strong, but not quite tall enough, I'm afraid.
We'll see about that.
Stubborn branch. Think, Leo. Think. Let's see how you like this.
Well done, Leo.
Thanks for helping me, friend.
As you can see, it turned out absolutely amazing. Now, if you want to edit a scene again or change something, it's very easy. Just click the edit button. From here, you can edit all the scenes and even adjust the voice speed in your story. All you need to do is change the prompt for that scene and click the regenerate button. The AI will create a new version of the scene for you. Once you're happy with all your edits, click next, and your updated video will be ready. I even created another video using the same exact method. Here it is.
I'm going to win this. We'll see. I'm so far ahead, I can afford to rest a little. Ah, perfect.
Right, Tommy. Patience really does beat speed.
It's not just about speed, Ricky, but about perseverance and believing in yourself.
You know you were really fast back there, but you waited for me anyway.
Kinda figured the race wouldn't mean much if I crossed the finish line alone.
I'm glad we're on the same team now.
Me too, buddy. Me too.
Pretty cool, right? And the best part is we only used a simple prompt, MagicLight AI handled everything else automatically. If you're interested in trying this tool and joining the contest, the paid plan gives you access to all features for just $15 per month. Plus, if you choose the yearly plan, you get 50% off. So it's a great deal. I've left the link in the description so you can check it out. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.